Language acquisition theories explained. Noam Chomsky. One of the greatest linguists of all time, Noam Chomsky asserts that language is innate. He wrote his famous book Language in the Mind in 1972, in which he proposed his famous theories on language acquisition. In this book, Chomsky wrote, "When we study human language, we are approaching what some might call the human essence, the distinctive qualities of mind that are so far that we know unique to man." According to Chomsky, language is one characteristic that is individual to human among all the other living beings. Chomsky's theories have been made easier to understand the evolution and development of languages. Chomsky's theory on language are based upon the importance on linguistics in modern sciences. According to him, to study languages, it is important to study the human nature that lies in the mind. Chomsky postulated that the mechanism of language acquisition is derived from innate processes. Innate is something that has already been there in the mind since birth. The theory proposed by Chomsky is proved by the children living in the same linguistic community. Moreover, they are not influenced by the external experiences that bring about comparable grammar. Thus, he proposed his theory on language acquisition. In 1977, all his children share some internal constraint which narrow the grammar they are going to construct. He also proposed that all of us live in a biological world. According to him, the mental world is no exception. He also believes that there are stages of development for other parts of the body. Language development can also be achieved up to a certain age. Another postulate of Chomsky's language acquisition theory is the process of selecting the best grammar that matches the data available. He relates to structural linguistics with empirical thoughts while talking about grammar, which is generative. His views are different from structuralistic theory. According to Chomsky, generative grammar should render explicit the implicit knowledge of the speaker. He proposed a set of well-defined rules to generate a required sequence of words. Individuals instantly decipher a certain combination of words, make sense, and a different combination that does not make sense. The explanatory theory of generative grammar is beautifully demonstrated by the rules of English auxiliary system. According to Chomsky, the field of linguistics does not include the study of meaning and reference and the use of language. According to linguistic theory, the concept of grammar are not based upon semantics, but the linguistic theory should provide an explanation of the semantic phenomenon. Chomsky rejects the idea that the human mind is a clean slate at birth and is filled in by experience. He suggests that there are components of the mind which are innately determined.